Introducing the 2022 Ford Puma ST Line X in sleek black with only 23,126 miles on the clock. This hybrid SUV boasts a 1-litre engine, automatic transmission, and a host of comfort and safety features, including ambient lighting, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning. With luxurious trim, privacy glass, and a spoiler for added styling, this vehicle brings both elegance and security to your drive. With a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty included, you can drive with peace of mind. Contact us today at hillsford.co.uk to schedule a test drive and experience the performance and sophistication of this Ford Puma ST Line X.